Good morning, this is Kevin at Sierra Classic Sports Car in Meadow Vista, and I'm here with our 1966 Austin Healey 3000 BJ8, and I'd like to do a quick cold start video while the car is in the shop this morning. Let's check the manifold temp. It's about 78 degrees. It's about the same as the floor of the garage, so this car has been sitting overnight, but it's going to start for us. Watch. I'm going to do this in one shot, unedited, none of that. Okay, make sure we are in neutral, and we are. Fuel pump clicks up. That's with no choke. And there we go. Give it a little bit. Happy. There we go. The temp gauge is, oil pressure is good. Fuel gauge works.